S99 supports maximum 21 voltage power supply. Display of soldering iron tips shipped with S99. The resistance is about 5.6 ohm. JBCC 245 soldering iron tip display. The resistance is about 2.7 ohm. Power head test of PD65 water. Shipped with a soldering iron tip temperature rise test, the power is about 67 watt. Test JBCC 245 soldering iron tip heating up. Under the current agreement, the PD power head cannot provide the corresponding current, and the soldering iron restarts. Set a new power supply protocol. After saving, the soldering iron restarts. The JBCC 245 soldering iron tip heats up normally, and the power is about 44 watt. S99 supports users to switch multiple protocols to meet the heating work according to the actual fast charging source parameters. Note, when the input power supply can provide enough current, the S99 supports a maximum power of about 150 watt. S99 supports English and Russian menu switching freely. More interesting functions. Looking forward to your feedback. The product supports firmware upgrades, and the functions continue to increase and improve.